All right, well, this is section 5, the final section of the C1 Compass certification class. I'll talk a little bit about, the exam itself, about how to become an authorized reseller behind that, and then, some other resources that are available to you. First of all, the C1 certification exam, take this right away. Once you get the certification, that opens everything up for you. It has 25 multiple choice questions, and it's just going to test on basic knowledge of the Compass products and basic knowledge on the Compass Navigator software. You have to have a score of at least 80%, meaning you got to answer at least 20 out of the 25 questions correctly. And that gives you the certification, makes you a certified Compass programmer. Push yourself to get 100%. Take a look at the questions. They shouldn't be that tough for you once you've taken all these classes. Certification then allows you to become a reseller, and it gives you access to other things. So first of all, once you're certified, it automatically applies you for Compass authorization. You are not automatically a authorized Compass reseller. It applies you for that. The final approval for this gets done through the sales department. It'll be done within 48 hours of your certification. And what does authorization give you? Well, authorized dealers can purchase Compass products. It gives you all the warranty services behind those products, and it gives you the Compass tech support benefits, meaning that if you are a dealer that has gotten the equipment sideways and sold it, you're not going to be proper warranted, and you're not going to get your tech support. If you call in to talk to tech support, they're going to take a look at you to find out whether or not you are certified and authorized. If you're not, you got to go do the certification. It also gives you access to the Compass server. This allows you then to upload the projects to the server, which therefore allows you to download the projects into the iPad. After this, you've got all those other online training resources. Take the other C1 classes. There are 4 of them. They're on the managers. The first one, very, very important. So C1.2 is the MC2500 device manager class. Please take that. Also, look at the database managers classes, especially the IR and the RS-232, because you're probably going to be programming with those. If you want to do one-way IP control, take a look at the TCP IP database manager as well. And then beyond that, you've got your C2 level classes, how to program a key digital matrix switcher, how to work with graphics and how to build action macros, working with the Lutron. You put the Radio Raw 2 products on there with the two-way interface. And then we're going to go even deeper than that. C3 level classes, large-scale video distribution, developing and editing templates. Create your own template so you can use the IntelliBuilders feature with your own template background. And then how to program bidirectional drivers, either RS-232 or IP. So a lot available to you. So now that you've become certified, go ahead, take the manager's classes, and then load the Compass Navigator software. Start a new project file. Work within the programming steps to build a basic configuration. Build your basic project. See how the interface works, and become familiar with the editor itself, and then upload to the server and download into your iPad. So we've looked at the products. So you've got your iControllers, the iPad, the iPod Touch, and the iPhone. You got the MC2500, the KD MC2500 master controller, matrix switchers which expand the scope of the system, your control capabilities, and then Compass Navigator. Don't forget the whole process that's involved here, that you have to put the app on the iPad. You have to become a registered dealer, which you already are if you're taking this class. Then you have to take the device ID and a registration license and marry them together in order to allow the iPad to operate on the system. Then you program in Navigator, upload to the server, and then download into the iPad from the server. So now C1 certification, you know what it takes. You have to pass the exam to become a certified programmer. You've taken a look at Compass Navigator overview, so you can see how to program a simple one-zone system. The C2 level classes will talk about programming with a matrix switcher for multi-zone systems. And then after certification, you can download, download the software and then upload the project to the server and download it into the iPad. So don't forget about our excellent technical support here. You can call them the 914 number here at 9 to 5 Eastern Time, or you can email tech@keydigital.com. And then don't forget about the SDG department, the System Designs Group. Free service offered by Key Digital, help you to create full designs based on your parameters. You tell them how many TVs you have, how they're being wired, what your sources are, how you want the signals to be able to go. Do you want 1 or 2 signals to be able to go to all TVs? Do you want multiple signals to be able to go to any TV? Whatever your parameters are. And they will build a fully blown system setup for you, including a parts list of all the Key Digital products that have to go in. And you can get to them directly by emailing sdg@keydigital.com. Besides that, on the website, obviously you guys have been there, so you know how to log in to the dealer-only site. There are a library of the SDGs, plus all your marketing documents there, and then all of these classes. Not only the 1X, 2X, 3X level classes, but now your C1, C2, C3 level classes. So thank you very much for taking the class. Go on now and take the certification exam, and good luck. We'll see you in another class real soon. Thank you.